I started my journey in makeup artistry with no clear destination. The more I learned, the more I wanted. The more I learned, the more I wanted, the more I elevated. I chose to follow a path that just kept getting better, and I am nowhere near finished. Like there's completely no end in sight. And I believe that about your passion for what you do as an artisan, what you do as a makeup professional. I believe that your passion is deeply embedded within you in such a way it's actually a business. All you need is help closing the gap between your business and your artistry. So I wrote a book called Artistry Unleashed, a framework for creatives and makeup professionals to show you the exact steps I took to climb this mountain. It's available now on Amazon in digital, paperback, and hardcover.